I'm gonna test this out. Keep in mind that I'm an artist. I'm sensitive about my shit.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Chariti Sinae and I am back with another video. I felt like my voice cracked when I did that, probably because it's been so long. Like what? But I'm back with another video, and today I'm doing a Euphoria inspired makeup look. If y'all do not know what Euphoria is, it is a show that it's over now, like the series. Hold on, we're gonna give this light some time since it wouldn't take my time, you know what I'm saying? But it was a show on HBO starring Zendaya, and it's just about high schoolers, and I feel like they're just all finding themselves, finding their individuality and coming into themselves, but with, you know, the everyday struggle that a teenager has and the everyday temptation and influences that a teenager has. You know, they all deal with their own little problems and they fight their own battles. Each character has, you know, their own story, and they spend time breaking it down in the show. So it really is good. It is kind of deep, so you know, I do suggest y'all go watch it. But anyway, this makeup is inspired by them because the makeup was phenomenal. Like, as far as the face, it all just looked so simple, but it looked like they put most of their time into the eyes. But yet the makeup, it was just soft, but it was so like glam, you know, because they used accessories. They used the glitter on their face, shimmer on their eyes and on their face, and rhinestones and stuff. So they really got creative. It has been trending. I've seen a lot of these videos. Mine is just a little late, but I did not want to move on without doing my inspired look because I'm such a fan of the show. So I hope you all enjoy this video, and you know, if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, just keep on watching. So the first thing I'm going to be going in with is my MAC paint pot in Painterly. And this is what I'm going to prime my eyes with today and get us all set for some eyeshadow. And the look is literally going to consist of probably like, honestly, like 1 or 2 shades. So the eyeshadow itself will not be difficult, I promise. Because in Euphoria, they did like, it almost looked like they did the bare minimum but made it glam. Like, it was just so beautiful. Like, and that's probably why it just became so popular, because it was just so beautiful. Like, their makeup, even the storyline, like it was just a beautiful show, beautiful characters, and beautiful makeup, and even their styles. Like, they all just had their individual styles. They all were unique, and they brought their own like separate like thing to the show, you know. So that's good. For eyeshadow, I'm going into the Masquerade palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm taking Bori, just that hot pink shade, but it also has like this beautiful like gold sparkle in it. It's so pretty, so beautiful. And I'm just going to pack that onto my lid, and I'm going to work my way up, but I'm making sure most of the pigment goes onto my eyelid, and then I'm working my way up as the product starts to fade out. I think Maddie, of course, when it comes to the beauty community, I feel like Maddie was a lot of people's favorite character on the show. My favorite character, however, Oh, I think I love Kat, but then again, Kat is kind of annoying. Like, she just kind of got too careless. I don't know. I love them all. Like, if I could choose all of them to be my favorite, I would choose all of them. But if I just have to choose one person, I really just think Zendaya would be my favorite, because I think it's just because she played the part so well. Her whole attitude though, but that's also what I liked about Kat, was because she just owned it. Like, she owned who she was. Like, I think she was just finding herself, and she embraced it. Like, she just embraced her. So I'm going in with this, you know, clean Morphe brush. This is the M518 brush, and I'm just going in with that and blending it all out, just making sure it all fades seamlessly, you know. Just gonna take it up there as well, like that. But yeah, Kat, she really did. She just embraced herself. So I probably would have to give it to Kat, because me and Kat just had a love-hate relationship. Because sometimes she could just be annoying with it, but she just, she was very unapologetic about who she was. And I just think that's so important, you know. But the whole cast makeup, just as a whole, was just beautiful. Literally beautiful. It was just so different and so unique. And then, you know, they really played around with like the glitter and the sparkles and rhinestones and gems or whatever. They just really got creative, but it was just so simple, and that's what I loved about it. Like, it wasn't all out, but it was still full glam. I have to really like take time to like blend the eyeshadow. So that's the only color we're going to use. We're going to use another one, and I'm going to go into my Huda Up Beauty palette. I'm using this, I think I'm going to do Twilight, and I'm just going to pick that up on my finger and put it right in the middle. Just swipe it right in the middle, you know. And I just want to take it all the way kind of up, and not too up to like my eyebrow, but kind of to my brow bone. I'm not only going to keep it on my lid. Can y'all see that? I don't think the camera is doing it any type of justice, but it's the like most beautiful thing ever. Like, wow. Just this like very cool like galactic type of look that just doesn't look too forced though, you know. That's what we're going for here, because that's kind of how they looked. Like, they looked like they woke up and did their makeup with the purpose, but they didn't force it. It was still like, it's just makeup. That's how all of their looks looked. What do I want to do now? Do I want to go ahead and glue a rind thing on? So I am going to glue my first one on. I honestly want to do one like right here and then one on the bottom, just like right there. And I went and I got this. I want to show y'all the tag just in case y'all want to know what kind I got. I got this pack from Walmart, and I just went in. They had them. I'm just going to use like the back of my tweezer. Oh shoot. I want to do it like right there. I don't even know if y'all could see that. I don't think they're even. That's what's gonna blow me. I don't have time So I got them both on. I think, yeah, for the size that they are, I think it's perfect that I just went for one directly in the middle instead of putting one, because I was gonna, you know, go directly above my crease and take it all the way out and in. But I'm happy I didn't do that because I think they would be a little bit too big for that look. So I'm happy I just chose to put them right here and on the bottom. So what I'm going to do is move on to concealer before we finish the entire look, you know. So I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills concealer in the shade 6. I'm just going to put that in the places I like to highlight, you know what I'm saying? So it's going to be under my eyes, on my nose, around my mouth, and my chin and my forehead, and my jawline. I'm so happy I finally did this look. I have been wanting to do this look. Like, I watched Euphoria like when it came out, and I kept up with it because the storyline was so amazing. But my look has come so late because I just been MIA from my channel. I'm so happy I finally got around to it because I have never played with like accessories, you know, like makeup accessories. I don't think I've ever used them, you know. Of course I use different things around Halloween time, but no. So this is something new for me. Okay, so I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty concealer. Oh, I love this concealer. It's just so beautiful. I mean, it just feels amazing. Like, I literally love the way it feels. The texture of it is just phenomenal, you know? In Euphoria, their makeup, it also looked like skin. Like, as far as their face makeup, it just looked really natural. Like, they barely had anything on. Like, it just looked like their effort was put into the eyes. And literally that's it, because even their eyebrows, all of their eyebrows just always looked so natural, like they didn't do anything to them. But I was saying all that to say I'm still doing full face, okay? Period. And you know, for my face makeup, I'm probably going to be skipping through and jumping through this part because this isn't anything we haven't seen before. I'm just really on here just to show, you know, the eyes, you know. And for setting powder, I'm also going in with the Fenty Beauty loose setting powder in the shade Banana. I love the way that smells. By the way, if y'all didn't know, I'm setting this with my Morphe M438 brush. My light keeps flickering every time I turn on my vanity light and I have my room light on at the same time. It flickers. I don't know what that's about. Maybe a little shortage, but it's annoying. I'm just bronzing with my KKW Beauty palette. You know, they did not have all of this in Euphoria, but it's okay. But yes, I do. If y'all have not already seen it, or if there's anyone who has not already seen Euphoria, I really do suggest you to check it out because it is relatable and it does bring your attention to a lot of things going on in the world. It really is just an inspiring show. And I feel like even like millennials, or not even millennials, but high schooler, because they are in high school. I think a lot of high schoolers and teenagers in general can take something away from it maybe. So yeah. Okay, so for lashes, I chose the Miami lashes from Lily Lashes. That was just a whole lot of lashes. But anyway, I chose those just because they still give me enough, but without covering the eye look and the rhinestones, because then what would be the point of that, right? You know what I'm saying? Okay, so I'm going to do the same with the shimmer and see how it works for the bottom. I hope it works out well. Hopefully. Let's see. That looks good. I don't know if y'all could tell. I'm gonna try to glue these last two on really quickly because my eyes keep watering, and at this point I just don't know what to do. Okay, y'all, and this is the completed look. I love it. I do. I feel like, you know, I done got them a little lopsided. Like, I feel like they're uneven, but you can't really tell unless you're really trying to pay attention and talk some mess. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, as far as lips, I lined my lips with Double Fudge from MAC, but they discontinued these, so I'm so sorry. And then I filled them in with Blankety lipstick from MAC as well. And then I went on top of it with this Buxom lip gloss, and this is called Maddie. These are the plumpers, so like I feel like not a burn, but you know, like this sensation on my lips. Like, it feels really good though. But yes, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed this look. You know what I'm saying? If you have watched this video, I hope that means that you have watched Euphoria, because it is so good. If not, you need to go and just check it out because it was so amazing. So yeah, I hope y'all like the look. Thank you all so much for watching. Please be sure to give this video a comment down below, and give this video a thumbs up, and then subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notifications so you will be notified whenever I do upload. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye guys.